Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Queen Elizabeth Community. Today I am come up with another very exciting and amazing part of the again a very big crypto exchange project. Guys, we're gonna discuss everything about this amazing platform. Before we are going to start, I wanna say I'm not a financial advisor and this is not a financial advice. Do your own research for every investment you make. This video is only for educational purpose. So let's start the video right now. You can see this project has something unique. You can do every kind of trading you want to do. You can buy the crypto, you can copy the trade, and you can get the markets, the future. You can check everything, and you can guys trade anytime, anywhere, and get benefit from this massive big opportunity for you guys. And also the one thing more important about this amazing project, they have launching a Phoenix 360 token trading competition is here. This is a new thing about this amazing platform. So they have this trading token competition which trade the F360 and share a 10,000 USDT airdrop. So register now yourself and get these amazing opportunities, and you can check the date and you can check the event where it happened and when it happened. You can check even when the new users exclusive share 3,000 USDT and deposit. You can deposit right now, and even to the trade to share the 4,000 USDT prize pool, which you can see that there are new existing users who support the trade released 100 USDT in F360 will share the 1,000 USDT prize pool, and rewards are based on the participants' spot trading volume F360. So trade right now, and also you can invite your friends and share 3,000 USDT. So you can check the referral bonus details. Number one of the invitees 1 to 5 you can get the 5 USDT, and 6 to 20 you can get the 7 USDT, and 20 plus you can get the 10 USDT. So you can must sign up for a Wix account, and you can check the referral link in the code, and also you can read out this event rules. They are explaining it everything very detailed. So you can go and check this and register now, and button to register to this event. And anything more that this F360 you can get that they have the chart, which is you can see they are on the top and they are getting their high values and they are trading on their top. So you can check the price, the amount, and the deposit. So you can get to know that this is how you can buy the F360 and how you can sell the F360 is you can check this out and you can get information what you want. So you can be the part of this amazing platform, and don't forget to share with your friends and family so that they get also benefit from it. So that's what about this amazing trading project. So you can go and trade and you can get the benefit, and check this out, this massive opportunity. We're gonna again meet up with a new brand video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.